What's going on, traders? Taco Fella back at it, doing a quick update video today on NEE. We're still in the position, you guys. Like I was talking about yesterday. When in doubt, like zoom out. So, like I was talking about yesterday, you want to make sure if you're, especially if you're a swing day trade, any kind of trade, that you're getting in on the uptrend, or the start of the uptrend, you guys. It could be choppy here and there, but you still want to be in on the uptrend. I'm still in this challenge. You guys know that in the search trader challenge. So far in the money on this trade, you guys, letting you guys know what's going on with this trade. But it's called patience. I'm basically taking weekly swings on this trade. Take profit. The target is, I just didn't write it yet in there, but the take profit first to take profit hopefully will be the, if we get there by tomorrow, hopefully the 50 MA area, so around the 77 area. But the one thing I wanted to talk to you about is how to protect your profits, you guys. Like I've been learning in the book. Like if you're 50% in the money, you want to raise your stop loss, right? Let's say I got in like over here, 74.65. My first stop loss was like right here. Then I got up here, and now my second stop loss is up here, right? You're basically trailing it, but you keep changing it instead of a trailing stop, right? So like now, because I wanted to get above 76.50 so I could raise my stop loss again. Like every 50%, you want to raise your stop loss. So that'll kind of help you with like seeing a winner turn into red, like seeing watching all your profits disappear. Basically, you don't want to see that happen. So you always, that's like number two on one of my rules, is like protect your profits. So we're gonna watch the end of this. Like I said, you guys, the target is right here. It could happen today. They were fighting for a while right here. Bulls kind of won the 76 area, so hopefully the target is here by tomorrow. Hopefully, with this company, I gotta get out. Like I said yesterday, by the weekend. So we're gonna watch the last few minutes, see what happens today. Let's break it down to maybe a 15 or a 5 minute. We got a little resistance right here, but this morning we did make a new high at 76.52. So might not happen today, but tomorrow if we cross this new high, if that happens, you guys, we'll probably most likely get to our target area. So let's see what happens if any buyers come in. Yeah, yesterday we were talking about like, okay, when in doubt, like how I learned in the beginning, when in doubt, like get out, right? But over the years, like you learn, like okay, when in doubt, zoom out, right? So we're gonna look at it daily, zooming out, a weekly, like still on the uptrend, almost there. Even a monthly, like sometimes, because you will find like good resistance and support places at. Not this one too much, but usually some of them. But usually, yeah, I'm like with the 4 hour, and I'm like, okay, we're gonna keep trailing it, trailing it, trailing it. If anybody ever read that book, like How I Made $2 million in the Market, this is kind of like his strategy too, but I didn't add to it. Like, okay, let's say a stock in the range like this box, right? For here, gets in the new box, like they add. Then it gets in the new box, and then they add again. So basically, they keep adding to the winners while basically trailing it like all the way up. I'm not doing that exactly. I just got the 500 shares and basically just moving the stop loss along the way. Very choppy stock. Like you could have easily day traded this in between, but they held up. Buyers came in, held it up a couple times. Wow, an alert on Meta. Meta went off. Second alert today. First alert was 200. Now this alert is at 204. So a lot of people are over there chasing those Google stocks. Google, you guys know I was in it. Now it's at $100 today. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. AMD's at 96. We're gonna keep an eye on that for next week. Kind of look for maybe a first red day or a good dip buy to buy, wherever the market wants to take us, you guys. So let's go to that knee trade and see if they can get it above this little resistance before the close. We have 5 minutes left, so we'll go to a 5 minute chart real fast, see what's going on. Wrapped around that little resistance right there. Tape's important, you guys are on these resistance areas. Right now is the end of the day, so we want to see people like adding on really instead of selling. For tomorrow's Friday, so hopefully we get a little boost up. I'm hoping for a little gap up because we're almost there at almost at target, you guys. About less than like 80 cents away. 80, 90 cents away. I'm gonna make this wider so we can see it better. That's our target area right there. It could go past that, like it's still on a bullish run because the top of this trend is really like first is like right here, like 77, and then you got 80, you got the 200. I mean, if they go through that, like we have room, you guys. But with this company, you have to sell before before the weekend. So really got to swing in, and I'll keep an eye on it for next week, see what happens. But the 4 hours looking really nice. It's still in the trend, you guys, still going up. Got a bunch of lines for different levels. So we're gonna go to daily again. If you look at, like I said yesterday, you got one, two, like a triple bottom right here. Try to break the trend, support, they came back and saved it. Now I made like a upward type of trend. So we're in, I believe, at 74.65 is entry on the challenge account. And TP take profit will be around the 77 area. We'll see if he gets above there tomorrow. 76.24 right now, trying to break that little resistance right there. This kind of stock is going like up or down. Even when the market goes down, it was like green the other day. So that's not too correlated with the market too much. 3 minutes left today in the market. 25 on the bid. 25's gone. Watch that candle, you guys. You really want to see volume come in and try to push it above there real fast. Watch yesterday's videos, you guys. I give a lot of pointers about trading and different types of like little like you want to call them like secrets or strategies that I use buying and selling and trading. So definitely want to check out yesterday's video. All right, we got through the 24, 25, trying to get through there right now. 4 hour chart's looking really healthy right now, you guys. Not too far away from our target. Target is this green line. So right below 77, basically. Just in case it doesn't get there. Just in case. This stock, a lot of times, like if you look at the pattern for the past few days, they shook so many people out. Like that's why you got to learn level 2 and learn the tape, you guys. You really want to see buyers. Like every time they do that, you want to see buyers sitting there. Still fighting that area. All right, you guys, up almost 8% on the day. Hopefully we want this thing to give us a little pop tomorrow, and we'll be out this thing and watching stuff for next week. Don't forget, like the video, you guys, subscribe to the channel. Any questions, leave in the comments, and don't forget, plan the trade, trade the plan. Peace out.